for those two parts. You can see this one, and this part should be like this. So this is upper side, this is downside because this is a hole. So later on we're going to put a screw to fix it. So it should be like this, upper side and a downside. We're going to fix the screw from here, and from here. So it should be like this. Okay. Okay. So this, it could fit. You can see it could fit. All right. Okay. Now we're going to put the filling nozzle inside. Okay, and we'll fix it to the machine. You can see it's like this, so it's fitted. You can see it's like this, so it won't fix it wrong. Okay. Fix a screw, 3.
这个也是一样，那这个有个前口，这个是朝上。
So already put the sealing ring. There. So this is upper side because those are screw. This is screw holes there. So this one should be upper side. Here should be downside because we're going to fix the screw there. See? Okay.
在后面这个加了把，因为你是12的啊，你12的要贴上去。
So we're going to fix this one. 这是加热板吗？
对对对，加了把。
So we're going to this one. This one is for heating.
因为你每一个你8的、10的、6的，你这个孔是不一样的啊。
我知道。So this is for 12. So there's 12 lines. If for 8, they're out in 8 lines. See, this is for 12. So there's 12 lines. Okay, see, this is light, so fitted. Then insert the fitting nozzle to the upper part. You see there's a sealing ring on the fitting nozzle, so to prevent the materials leaking.
暂停一下。